Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the exhaust tips on my 97 Mustang GT. So see how they sit really low. So you have to put the bumper, they don't look right. So I'm going to have tips put in and have it raise it so it looks better. Check it out guys, the tips are on and they look awesome. Look at this. These are 3.5-inch tips, Magnaflow. They're 16 inches long. I had these laying around my garage for a while, but they came in handy. So I was a little worried about how wide they are, 3.5 inches, because of this new bumper I got. The Saleen bumper doesn't have that much room in there, but they're perfect, I think. So that's it. This is a job you could do yourself if you have a welder, because the guy, all he did was cut the pipe and then he welded the hangers. So since I don't have a welder, I just pay them 70 bucks to do it. But they came out great. So I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.